How to download and use PNC banking app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download and use PNC banking app. For that, you want to open the Play Store application on your device or open App Store if you are on your iOS device. Now, you want to tap on the search bar and search for PNC banking app. This is the application you should be looking for. Here, you want to tap on the install option. Now, depending on the speed of your internet, it will take some time for the application to be installed. If you want to get more information on this app, tap on About this app option. Once the application has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. Now, tap on the Open option. Once you open the application, make sure to sign into your account. You can do that by entering your user ID and password. If you don't have an account, you can simply create one using the application as well. Once you have been signed in, you can check balances and recent transactions from your app. You can see your current account activity for your checking, saving, credit card, and loan accounts. You can also protect your account by setting up fingerprint or face authentication to securely sign on into the app. With this application, you can easily send money to people you know and trust using your mobile number or email address. You can also transfer funds between eligible PNC accounts and external bank accounts. You can deposit checks quickly and easily with your Android device. You can add your bills and make one-time or recurring bill payments right from the app. You can also view and manage your PNC credit, debit, and smart access cards and make in-store payments with PNC Pay right from the application. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.